thing.
This looks like terrible. Oh.
Not gonna say anything.
Yeah, just trying to get it done. You got some of those nails over there?
You need me to bring some?
Yeah. These are going right through the material. Missing.
There we go.
Gotta keep that edge down.
Nail gun was better.
Oh yeah. On this old of a roof though, I don't know if it wouldn't just blow right through these little weak members. I think these nails are going all the way through them. Yeah, they're blowing all the way through the other side. That's why I'll go and it'll stick and then all of a sudden it just gets easy.
Is that bad?
I don't know. I'm not a nailologist. I don't know. I'd say in the realm of good and bad, it's probably not good. But I am blissfully ignorant, so I'm just gonna keep moving.
That thing's rolling. Alright.
Too much sun.
Both sides done. No more nails. Done. Done. It's all cleared. There's a whole roof up here. It's gone.
Well, it ain't pretty, but it's happening. We are sweating to death. Shirt's completely wet. And we got some clouds. We got lucky. There's the sun right over. Whew. No, it's not perfect. It ain't how it's supposed to be done necessarily, but I ain't got time to worry about it. We got rain coming. And we gotta get this roof on. Whew. These roof nails with the little washers. You don't have to use that one. You can use a different one. My brother's dozer. He did a little dozer for us out here. Not too much, but a little bit. Whoa, look at Mama over here. Lumberjacking it. Careful, don't mess up my paper.
Sorry. Flatten it.
Thank you.
Got it.
Alright, get back to the swinging time play. Well, we dried it in. It ain't pretty, but it's gonna have to do. Me and Johnny about to give up on life right now. Like literally. We're about to give up on life right now. I don't know if y'all noticed my shirt is two different colors. That ain't the way I dressed this morning. At all.
Look at that, dude.
Babe, you catch this one?
Looks beautiful, dude. Wow. Look at it. No more wood showing.
Uh-oh. Look at that corner blowing up.
Oh no.
Yeah, we gotta do better. Or we're gonna come back and there's gonna be
Dude.
paper on there.
We thought we were done.
Always more you can do, right?
Maybe like one right here.
Yeah. I wanted to see if I got some overlap. That's what I wanted, to do it like that. There's a piece right there. I should hold it down a little bit. We are getting some light breeze ups over here. They're kind of concerning.
Oh,
Right, we
man.
have a dried in roof. Careful not to step on the top, as you remember. Woo!
Look at it, dude.
I know. I gotta be back up there. I had a whole lot of shingles to do up there. Drip edge, everything else. But like Alicia could say, we have a new dried in roof. And this stuff's supposed to be good to sit out in the sun for like 90 days. Although we should not be taking that long, of course. This is day 6 of the roof, but we only worked 4 of those days, right? We had a couple days off.
I think we like.
Well, yeah, I had to go get tires for the vehicle. We had to do that day, and then we took off. So yeah, there were some off days. Yeah, I can probably leave this stuff here. Ain't no point bringing all this back and forth. Woo!
And
Scene.
scene.